This is the STP file as it's downloaded and converted to a plant part and then made into a catalog part and then inserted into a spec so you can put it in a drawing. This is that same float and thermostatic trap, only I've cleaned it up. I took out all the unnecessary stuff, the bolt holes, the nuts and bolts in it, lightened up the amount of resources that it takes up when you put it in the model. Pretty pictures are nice, but graphics isn't the important thing here. It's the information that the part holds and the volume that it occupies in the model. I mean, one could actually just make a box here with a couple of circles on it with connection points and call it a trap, as long as it took up the correct volume. You can see these things are dead nuts on. Now, I'm not going to show you step by step how to do this, but I will walk you through it and show you what I did. Here, by the way, is where I'm getting my parts. These guys, this is Watson McDaniels, and I've just gone through here and downloaded their STP files. Okay, so let's go look at what you have to do with this STP file to get it to work. So here we are in 3D modeling. This is that step file. So what I did was I put it on a separate layer called template, and then lock it so I can't edit it or move it. And then I just started tracing the outline of the shapes that I needed and extruding, and I did the same for the flanges here. It's mostly extrusions. The only things that you have to do a little different is you have to use a loft on, you have to go over here and use loft to get this, and then from then on it's extrusion, and you only have to do one and mirror it. Now you'll have a line in here. You want to make sure you delete that line once you get done with modeling this portion of it. The other thing that was took some time to figure out is this part. Now what you do with this after you get done with the front end of this is you take your STP file, you can make a copy of it or unlock it and explode it down until you get it down to surfaces. And then when you go into the top here, and you're going to want to delete everything from there down. So all you're left with is this. Now, you're going to have a big hole in it where all this stuff was, and you're going to have to patch that hole. And once you get that patched, then you're going to have to convert this surface model back to a solid. Now, this person right here has got a great little tutorial on how to do it. All you need to do is Google convert surface to solid. I must say, all my years of modeling in 3D Max, some of this stuff comes pretty natural because I've done this in a much more robust modeling program. But anyway, follow this guy's tutorial on how to fix this and get it back to a solid, and then you get all the pieces together. You go back to the solids, and you use union, and you just start picking all the pieces and hit enter, and when you get done you get a solid piece, and it's all a solid. And then you can go through the process of converting it to a block, plant part convert, make a custom part, go over into your catalog, make a new part, go through all those steps, and it worked really well. It came in It comes in dead nuts on. Oh, the other thing was, you can see the flange sizes here because they're parts in that Watson McDaniel's site are 250-pound flanges. So when I created these extrusions, I made them for a 150-pound flange, which for a 1 inch was 4¼ inches. And that was really and easy to do. Easy to do. There's all kinds of tutorials that'll show you how to do that stuff if you've never done it before.